How to fix Google Play Store not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps or applications and then click on it again, and as you see here you will find all your installed apps. Now just type Google Play, and here we'll find Google Play services. Click on it, go to storage, clear cache, and now go to Google Play Store and click for stop and then storage, clear cache. Now your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again and it will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.